Learn Hindi time words. Now, immediately, later, today, morning and
परसों,
welcome to time travel, but cheap. Hey, you're about to learn 6 super useful Hindi time words without needing a time machine or a dramatic movie soundtrack. Just listen, smile, and repeat with confidence. Our stars today are
अभी,
for now,
तुरंत,
for immediately,
बाद में,
for later,
आज,
for today,
सुबह,
for morning and
परसों,
for the day after tomorrow. If that last one feels long, do not worry. Even your calendar needs a second to process it. Meet the urgent twins. Let us begin with 2 words that sound like they drink espresso and make decisions fast. You will hear a small but important difference. First,
अभी,
means now. Think. This moment, right here, no wandering off to pet a random dog. Example, I need it.
अभी,
Second,
तुरंत,
means immediately. This is stronger. It is not just now, it is right away. Example, please answer.
तुरंत,
A helpful contrast, do it.
अभी,
Not.
बाद में,
If your boss is very serious, they may prefer.
तुरंत,
Funny memory trick.
अभी,
Is the friend who says, now.
तुरंत,
Is the friend who says, now. The great battle of now and later. Every human has 2 inner voices. One says, start now. The other says, maybe later, after snacks. Hindi can express both very well. Imagine a lazy cat on a sofa. The cat sees a toy mouse. The toy squeaks, catch me.
अभी,
The cat stretches one paw and says,
बाद में,
Single quote. That is the perfect contrast.
अभी,
Is now.
बाद में,
Is later. Example, I will call you.
बाद में,
We can talk about it.
बाद में,
So if your stomach says pizza now but your wallet says pizza later, congratulations, you already understand a deep life lesson in Hindi. Today has entered the chat. Now let us anchor everything to the day you are living in. This word is short, common, and very useful.
आज,
Means today. Say it once.
आज,
Example, today is a good day. In your head, stamp the calendar with.
आज,
Example, I will start.
आज,
That sounds productive, brave, and slightly suspicious if you usually procrastinate. Useful contrast.
आज,
Is today, while.
अभी,
Is now. Today is the whole day. Now is this exact moment. So you can say, I will start.
आज,
And I will start.
अभी,
That means, sometime today, and in fact, right now. A very peaceful morning. Time words are easier to remember when they come with a scene. So here comes sunrise, tea, and a rooster with too much confidence. The word
सुबह,
means morning. Picture soft light, cool air, and a cup of chai. We drink tea in the.
सुबह,
I wake up early in the.
सुबह,
The
सुबह,
is cool and quiet. Unless, of course, your alarm clock believes it is a heavy metal singer. Then your
सुबह,
is less peaceful and more survival training. Not tomorrow, the other one. Here comes the fancy time word. It is useful, specific, and perfect for plans, travel, and sounding impressively organized.
परसों,
Means the day after tomorrow. Not today, not tomorrow. One more step.
परसों,
Example, the meeting is.
परसों,
Example, I will leave.
परसों,
Example, we are traveling.
परसों,
Morning, yes, that means.
परसों, सुबह,
Memory trick. Take 2 little mental steps. Step 1, tomorrow. Step 2,
परसों,
mini dialogue at maximum drama. Let us put the words into a silly little scene. Listen for all the time words as they appear naturally. A. When should we clean the room? B. Preferably.
अभी,
A. What about?
बाद में.
B. That room is developing its own ecosystem. Do it.
तुरंत.
A. Fine. We start.
आज.
B. Great. A. In the.
सुबह.
B. No, you said that yesterday. A. Then when? B. Not.
परसों. अभी.
Moral of the story. Vocabulary is useful, but apparently cleaning still happens under pressure. Quick drill, no escape. Now it is your turn. I say the English word, and you say the Hindi word out loud. Yes, out loud. Your ceiling already supports your dreams. Now.
अभी.
Immediately.
तुरंत.
Later.
बाद में.
Today.
आज.
Morning.
सुबह.
The day after tomorrow.
परसों.
Challenge mode. Let us make it a little harder. I will give you a sentence idea, and you catch the key Hindi time word. I need it now. Key word.
अभी.
Come here immediately. Key word.
तुरंत.
I will call you later. Key word.
बाद में.
I will start today. Key word.
आज.
We drink tea in the morning. Key word.
सुबह.
The meeting is the day after tomorrow. Key word.
परसों.
Friendly wrap up. Nice work. You just learned a whole pocket of everyday Hindi time vocabulary, and your brain deserves a polite round of applause. Today you practiced.
अभी. तुरंत. बाद में. आज. सुबह.
And.
परसों.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words again later, or better yet, not just.
बाद में.
But a little.
अभी.
2. You are doing great, so come back, practice often, and let your Hindi grow one word at a time.